What's the crack, guys? I'm back. It's the Rusty Bartender, your favorite Irish internet personality. This is episode 18, the Midnight Stinger.
Ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide.
Let me say this from the very start. I've not been looking forward to making this drink because I'm not a big fan of Fernet Branca. I know it's called like the industry shot, the bartender's handshake. People say you're gonna learn to love it, but I've been bartending for over 20 years. I ain't gonna learn to love it. There is no hope for me. But I digress. Let's make this drink. So reading from Steve's book, this isn't gonna be the original Midnight Stinger. This is gonna be like the updated modern take by Sam Ross. He, of course, was a famous bartender at the bar Milk and Honey. Anyway, let's get cracking. Grab your cocktail shaker. And in your shaker, we're gonna go 1 ounce or 30 mils of your bourbon. One ounce, 30 mils of the Fernet Branca. Pure poison. I'm gonna go 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. So did the job lovely. 3/4 of an ounce lemon juice. And again, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup this time. We're gonna add ice to our shaker. Shake for 10 to 12 seconds. I should have noted beforehand that this cocktail actually uses pebble ice, or you can use crushed ice, which is what I'm doing. Got my Lewis bag, which I smashed some ice up earlier. Then we're just going to strain this over. And we're going to garnish with a nice big sprig of mint. All right, let's give this a little sip. What do you think? Looks okay, doesn't it? Cheers. Yep, I'm just not a fan of this drink. I mean, I love bourbon drinks. It's definitely bourbon. You taste the bourbon. You get a lot of the menthol mintiness and bitterness from the Fernet Branca. I'm guessing if you really, really like mint, you'll enjoy this drink, but I'm just not a big fan of mint drinks. I mean, I totally get where it's going. It's just not for me. Anyway, cheers guys. I'll see you on the next one.